Vehicle's a 2012 Dodge Charger with almost 200,000 miles on it. Symptom is a popping noise in the steering when the vehicle's running but not moving, or moving very slowly. As you turn the steering wheel, you can hear a popping, a catching in the steering mechanism. My first suspect was the tie rods, either the inner or the outer, and it would appear as though I'm correct. So got the suspension loaded on this side, and I'm able to move that both the tie rods there very easily. The other side, the suspension is not loaded, and it behaves the same. The tie rods can be manipulated easily like that. So looks like I'll be replacing both inner and outer on both sides of the car.